Would you like to know how you can start getting paid today online by just colorizing different pictures that are going to be given to you from different platforms? Let's just take this example right over here. This guy would like to have a colorized picture rather than a black and white picture. And after that, it would like to have another background. So you can just remove the background right over here, put some pictures into that, and just sharing it and start getting paid from $10 up to $50, up to $40, and as well up to thousands of dollars and hundreds of dollars by just making this colorizing of the pictures, and as well by removing the backgrounds. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how you can do the same thing and have the same amount that these guys are charging right over here and start getting paid again and again by doing so. The platforms that I'm about to show are going to be automatic to you, so the only thing that you need to do is just drag and drop images here, upload them, and after that download and start getting paid for giving the customer the kind of picture that they wanted to. It's going to be working worldwide, and everyone who is watching this kind of strategy can make it work because it's going to be offered globally. And as well, the only equipment that you need is just internet connection for sure, a computer or another device, or maybe just a smartphone, so everyone can start using it and working with that. Well, bear in mind guys that you don't need any previous experience, because thanks to this step-by-step tutorial that Better Personal Growth is sharing with you right now, you just need to pay attention a lot, and every kind of new beginner can make it work. Don't forget, before going to the steps that you need to follow, to give a big thumb up to the video below if you're liking what you're watching, to subscribe to the channel, and for sure to push notifications on so you won't miss any kind of new video that we are going to be sharing daily with you. The platforms, as I promised you since in the beginning, are going to be working worldwide for everyone, and the very first step that you need to take toward this kind of strategy is to go to Pexels.com, and you already know now Pexel is one of the best platforms online. It's going to offer you images, and not only images but as well photos and videos totally for free, shared by different creators worldwide, and are going to offer to you without not worrying about the copyright issue or banned things and so. You already know now that if you share like images that are copyrighted, you are going to get banned and not accepted because of the copyright problems. But the images right over here are offered to you 100% free, so at any time that you download and you make editing to it and you share them for your own purposes or products, you are going not to worry about this kind of problems. Well, once that you are into Pexels.com, what you're going to be doing is to go to the search option and search for black and white pictures, so I can give you an example how you can put this on work by using this kind of images. So just search for black and white videos and photos, so you can get directed right over here, where you can see that they are going to offer to you thousands and millions unlimited pictures to download and to use them, so you can colorize them and you can make different editing to them and share after this. This one right over here, it's very beautiful as well. But today I have chosen another thing, so I've chosen this guy today, and what I'm going to be doing is just open the picture. I can see that I can put a like on that, so I can be using it and choosing it later on. So if I want to find it directly, I can just go to the liked pictures and I can have it right over there. But what I'm going to be doing is just clicking into free download, so I can have directly it in my account or in my device, so I can start make editing. So colorizing, when I talk about editing, is just colorizing, and thanks to the platforms which are going to be automatic for everyone, you're going to make it very easy. Now that you downloaded the image, what you're going to be doing is first of all to go to this platform called colorize.com, where here you will have the possibility of having tools with AE, which it means that you can restore your old damaged photos, and as well you can put color to that, you can remove the scratches, creases and beyond, sharpen the colors and enhance face with the help of this kind of tool that colorize.com is going to offer to you 100% free. Yeah, now that you are right over here, you will just click to this option where you can see that it's supported for all kind of formats that they are given to you, and after that just click into this so you can upload the image that you have chosen. In my example, I've just uploaded it and I left the platform to make it work, so you can see from black and white they have colorized my picture, and what I'm going to be doing after that is just downloading 100% free and having it in my device. Once that I have downloaded this, I can be as well be doing other jobs. So I can choose a lot of images to download and to make drag and drop into this platform so they can colorize at any time that I'm still working with that. Once that I have downloaded my own image, I told you and I promised you that you're going to be working and earning a lot of money by doing so. But for sure, you will have to pay attention, you will have to pay some time to it and to put effort. So otherwise, you will just end up with no money at all. So let's just get back and download the image and go to the other platform, which is going to help to get paid more and to increase and to maximize your earnings. It is called remove.bg, and which it means remove image background. So this platform stands for, or this ending stands for background. So here you will be able to remove the background 100% automatically for free, thanks to this platform, which is not only going to help you to remove the background of a photo or people, but as well products, animals, cars, and graphics. So for those of you who are like graphic designers or who will need more products or more websites to get to use it to make more editing, you can even use remove.bg, so you can use it for your products, animals, and cars, and so. Once that you are here, what you're going to be doing is just upload the image that you just colorized thanks to colorize.com. After you upload your image, you will wait for the platform to make its work. So you can just even drop a file as well. So if you have a lot of files, like a lot of images, you can just drag and drop them right over here. So the platform is going to work by its own and start removing the background. I have uploaded my image that I've chosen since in the beginning, and you may be seeing here that I have an image colorized and with the background removed. Into the original option, you can see that this is the original that you saw since in the beginning with the colors. But if you click into the remove background, you will see the photo that is edited. I can be putting some designs right over here. I can add some designs like this one right over here. I can put some colors. It's up to me, and it is up to the person that is going to offer me or to pay me for doing this kind of designs. Well, the platform is working with that, as you may see right over here. So they are going to be putting different designs there, and I can be able to download it 100% just by clicking into download. Into the download option, you will be able to make a download as a preview image or just a full image where you can download it HD. After that, what you're going to be doing and what you need, it's for sure the platforms where you're going to be finding this kind of traffic and this kind of people, so you can share this kind of post and get paid. peopleperhour.com you already know now because we have talked about it, and as well Fiverr.com. Well, you can be using this kind of platform for different freelancing jobs, but today we're going to be using it as people who are going to work with the images. And once that you are here, you will make your bright ideas happen. So what you're going to be doing is just to sign up totally for free and create 2 gigs. Same as this people right over here. You will just make a gig for removing the background and another one for just colorizing the picture, same as this people are doing right over here. And after you create your own gigs, the different people are going to contact you so you can get paid online with the amount of money that you have chosen. So you can get paid $50 or $14 or more by by charging the amount of money that you want. Go to Fiverr.com and you are going to be doing the same thing into Fiverr. So first of all, search for editing images, and you can see these people how much are getting paid into Fiverr. And after that, start creating your own new gig and start getting paid by doing or by using these automatic platforms, which are going to help you at any time that you will do any kind of job, thanks to 100% free tools that they are going to give to you. And that was the strategy for today. If you like it and you want to see more new ones, don't forget to subscribe and push notifications on.